Apecoin, the local cryptographic money of the well-known non-fungible token assortment exhausted Ape Yacht Club, turned into the greatest metaverse token by market capitalization barely a month after its delivery. The coin has deposed Decentraland's coin, which has been around since mid-2020. Notwithstanding, it has battled with the bear market and is presently down 86% from the untouched high it hit in WAC 2022. Presently, new information from the examination stage Masari uncovered that a constant flow of financial backers have been collecting Ape. Will the future Ape value expectation be just about as bullish as its ambitious beginning? And what are the critical projections for the famous NFT cryptographic money? What is Apecoin? Apecoin was sent off on 17 WAC 2022 by the organizers behind the BAYC NFT assortment Yuga Labs, which likewise shaped the Ape establishment, a method for helping the decentralized improvement of the Ape environment, made determined to turn into the heart of workmanship, gaming, amusement, and occasions on the blockchain. The Ape establishment will be accountable for ignoring the choices of the Apecoin Decentralized Independent Association. The crypto will be liable for organization, accounting, project, the board, and different undertakings important to guarantee the DAO people group can fabricate new Web3 applications and administrations. For example, the Ape NFT coin itself. Apecoin's principal center is decentralization, and through the Ape Improvement Proposition cycle it will permit Apecoin DAO individuals to pursue choices in regards to biological system asset designation, administration rules, impending activities, associations, and that's just the beginning. The Apecoin establishment is overseen by a board which supervises the local area and does DAO proposition. The underlying board serves a term of a half-year and is cast at a ballot in by DAO individuals. The Ape Digital Money. The Ape NFT coin is an ERC20 digital money planned on the Ethereum convention. Aside from administration, the token provides holders with admittance to specific pieces of the environment that are inaccessible to other people, like select games, product, occasions, and administrations, can be integrated into different administrations, games, and tasks. Apecoin was sent off through an airdrop, which permitted specific gatherings of holders to get the tokens as remuneration. The cryptographic money's absolute stock stands at 1 billion. No new tokens can be stamped. Upon discharge, the token's all-out supply was disseminated as follows. 62% was dispensed to the environment's asset and given to BAYC and Freak Ape Yacht Club NFT holders. 16% was allotted to Yuga Labs and Noble Cause. 14% was apportioned to the organizations and individuals that assisted with making the undertaking. 8% was designated to the BAYC pioneers. It means a lot to take note of that. Notwithstanding its name, Apecoin, which depends on Ethereum, is a token as opposed to a coin. At the hour of composing, north of 300 million Ape tokens were available for use as per CoinMarketCap. Ape's market capitalization outperformed $1.4 billion, making it the 38th greatest cryptographic money. Apecoin cost investigation following fruitful presentation. The Ape NFT crypto saw its worth flood 126.8% on the main day of send-off, coming to $16.47, up from $7.26 in under 24 hours, as seen on the cost outline beneath. The coin withdrew to $14.03 before the day is over and kept on moving sideways on 19 WAC 2022, proceeding tumbling to values simply above $9 on 21 WAC 2022. By 24 WAC, the Ape token cost moved back to more than $14 as expectation became in front of the very first Apecoin DAO casting a ballot occasion, which was because of occur on the day. The cryptographic money crested at $15.43 on 28 WAC 2022, proceeding leaving on a negative excursion into April 2022. In April 2022, the Ape token cost crested on 3 events, on the 10th of April at $12.27, after the Exhausted and Hungry Cafe in California turned into the very first providing food foundation to acknowledge installments in Ether and Apecoin. On the 21st of April at $17.31, following the declaration that Apecoin was helping out the AllofX Fitness metaverse to give Ape token holders extraordinary admittance to the metaverse's transition to acquire Dustlin games. On the 29th of April at $26.19, as 3 new propositions were opened for Apecoin DAO individuals to decide on. On the 30th of April 2022, one of the biggest NFT commercial centers, OpenSea, declared that it would begin tolerating the Ape digital money for NFT buys on its foundation. This prompted a more than 30% one-day gain as the Ape value rose to simply beneath $25. Following 102% April 2022 increases, the Ape NFT coin graph began a downwards pattern. It dove throughout the next months, dipping under its send-off cost toward the finish of May. Ape then went as far as a 90-day low of $4.01 on the 21st of October 2022. Be that as it may, it has made up a portion of those misfortunes since, and starting around the 7th of November 2022 was exchanging at $4.60. In any case, it was still down 10% throughout the last month. Regarding Ape token specialized investigation, transient feeling for the token at the hour of composing was negative, with a staggering 20 negative specialized markers and only 2 purchase signals. The most recent Apecoin news. In ongoing Ape news, it has put another Apecoin improvement proposition to the local area. While the board was initially simply expected to serve a term of a half year, it needs to broaden this period by 90 days. The purpose for this is for the barricade to set legitimate foundation for choosing new or substitution individuals. The proposition said, this AIP proposes a 3-month expansion of the terms spread out in AIP1 to give time to the improvement of a legitimate and careful ape establishment, political race structure and cycle. Permit the local area to all the more likely get it and at last draw in with anything that interaction arises, and empower the DAO to keep working soundly past September 30th. This had prompted a blended reaction from the local area. Some have called attention to the enormous pay being made by board individuals, while others perceive the requirement for a political decision structure. In the meantime, the crypto examination stage Messari has seen a convergence of ape holders. It revealed that the quantity of Apecoin financial backers had consistently expanded since its send-off and outperformed 90,000 in 2022's second from last quarter. Vasari uncovered that declarations have been the main impetus behind new clients needing to acquire openness to the cryptographic money. Its report said, the worth of Apecoin will to a great not entirely set in stone by the accomplishment at which ape multiplies as a mode of trade and utility symbolic that turns out to be broadly used across computerized economy. Apecoin cost forecast 2022 to 2025, 2030. Calculation-based determining administration gave a bullish point of view toward the fate of the ape cost forecast at the hour of composing, calling Apecoin a wonderful long-haul venture. In view of its examination of past cost execution, Apecoin cost expectation for 2023 expected it to have moved to $10.67 in a year. In 5 years' time, the Apecoin crypto cost forecast said it could reach $34.58. Repeated an energetic Apecoin crypto cost expectation, projecting that the symbolic's worth could consistently fill before very long. The site said that Ape could end this year at $4.55 and reach $11.91 by 2025. Its Apecoin cost expectation for 2030 said it could average out at $25.39 that year. Additionally, gave a typical cost of $5.59 for its 2022 Ape conjecture. Its Apecoin cost expectation for 2025 said it could develop to $15.57, then rocket to $108.96 in 2030 while considering an ape crypto cost expectation. It's critical to remember that digital currency markets remain very unpredictable, making it challenging to precisely anticipate what a coin or token's cost will be in a couple of hours, and, surprisingly, harder to give long-haul gauges. Accordingly, examiners and